because otherwise it's false advertising, because there's no science that says that there is a risk of harm.
My name is Yogi Henlin, and along with my colleague Alessandra Arcuri, we have put together this group of scientists and legal scholars and other social scientists from really around the world to discuss the most applied pesticide on Earth.
Glyphosate is a case study that shows key major flaws of the European and worldwide risk regulatory frameworks.
My interest in the glyphosate case, in a way, began decades before the glyphosate case began. And that's one of the ways in which I think that my field, science and technology studies, can help to make sense of the sort of impasse almost that we see in this very complicated controversy, largely in the European Union, but with ramifications throughout the world.
Say, at least not by itself, look at what they do. And in particular, they were saying, look at the practice.
Getting more clarity on what the future of this chemical is, and also in terms of agricultural pesticides in general, is of paramount importance today in the Anthropocene.